Let's check out this Pontiac here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Good looking car too, 1965 Pontiac Catalina two-door sport coupe, or also considered two-door hardtop, of course. Era correct, 389 underneath the hood, approximately 400 horse. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front. Take a look at the stacked headlights, the chrome and bright work. This car has been nicely restored. Check out the underside pictures of this. Engine bay, trunk, interior. You'll see the car from every angle in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. That's if you're seeing it on YouTube. Down in the description, there'll be a link. Click on it. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Yes, I understand. There is some 421 badging on it. It is a 389 era correct V8 underneath the hood. All right, polished bi-spoke wheels, tri-spinners. You can see behind them disc brakes, Cobra radials. Now, if these lake pipes aren't your style, not quite your cup of tea, so to speak, they can be removed easily. That's not a problem. Just let us know. We can work around that with you. Take a look at how straight these panels are on this car. Paint shows well. It's actually an N paint code car, so that would be an original burgundy car. 296 is the trim, so it would be a red interior car. That's all been redone. We're going to check that out in just a little bit. Wanted to show you up and down this passenger side and really how free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches it is, and once again how straight those long panels are, and you can see the reflection in the paint. Interior is a vinyl cloth combination, bench seat up front, seat belts intact in the front, pretty stock looking dash with the exception of that aftermarket gauge cluster underneath it. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run in just a bit. First, I want you guys to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Dual exhaust, that is a true dual exhaust, does have glass packs. This is a good sounding car. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and we'll take it for a drive, put the camera in it, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Jason will do that at the end of this walk around video, so stick around to the end. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures, especially the underside. Look at the floor pans and the underside, the trunk, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. I do want to mention a few things on this car. It does have a rear sway bar when you're looking at those undersides. And the previous owner wanted me to pass along, Rotella oil has been used. When we get to the interior, the radio works, the blower fan works, the wipers work. I believe the clock even worked in there. If you're a fan of Pontiacs or maybe mid-60s GM cars or maybe just like Catalinas, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. Once again, look at the reflection in that paint, showing the wall behind me. And those panels are nice and straight over here in the driver's side too. It's one of those cars, take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Can't imagine not going home with some trophies with this one. All right, let's take a little closer peek at this interior. Door panels, nice shape. Front and rear seating surfaces, looking good. Like I said, this is a nicely restored car. Gotta love the wood steering wheel. All right, let me fire this up so you can hear this run. Like I said, nice sounding car. Little aftermarket tack on the steering column. Listen to that. fuel gauge, battery, and like I said, I believe even the clock was working. There you go. AM radio, also in working order.
I just thought Colorado was bigger. Or California.
Love this setup. So here's turning the speed of the blower fan. So let's go to high. Let me just turn on the heater, if you will, and if you wanted to change the temperature, watch that little bar light up. I shouldn't say light up. Fill up with color across there for your actual temperature. Very cool. We'll get it off the higher idle, down on low idle. Top of the dash looking good. How about that headliner? Also looking good. Rear deck. Wow. No surprises on this one. Slip around to the back, let you hear this. Hopefully that comes across on this video as good as it does in person. Nice low rumble coming out of that 389. The slip up to the front, I want to show you the engine bay, and remember, those lake pipes, they can come off. If they're not your cup of tea, not a problem. They are removable. Here's the underside of the hood. Hood liner looking good. There it is, that era correct 389. Some chrome and bright work underneath there. Looks like a newer master cylinder and brake booster. Again, approximately 400 horse. Paired up with an automatic transmission, that turbo hydromatic 400. We have an aluminum radiator, it looks like there. So nice setup, nice looking engine bay, clean and tidy underneath there also. This will be a fun one, folks. 1965 Pontiac Catalina 2-door sport coupe or 2-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1965 Pontiac Catalina that is in amazing condition. This car is beautiful inside and out. It is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy to drive for anybody. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Effortless acceleration. You can tell this car's got a lot of power, a lot of torque. You just put your foot down and you're up to speed pretty quickly. There is a tachometer mounted to the column by Equus. The fuel gauge is reading almost 3/4 of a tank. The battery a little over half. There is a clock and the second hand is ticking, working as it should. Below the dash, the oil pressure reading about 65 psi. Battery is charging a little over 13 volts and the temperature is almost 180. So all of that is looking great. Factory looking radio here.
Get on board with the deal. An hour to the
is working as it should. Our wipers also work on this car. Beautiful interior. If I didn't know better, I'd say it was all redone. It is in such nice condition. Power brakes working well. Power steering also really easy to steer. Nice condition steering wheel. Everything is clean and shiny as it should be. Yep, pushing the throttle, the kick down works on the transmission, and instant torque, you feel it. It is a fun car to drive. Once again, beautiful condition. Look at all the pictures and see for yourself at uniqueclassiccars.com.